In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video carousel slider section in Shopify. We'll add a reusable video carousel section to your theme by creating a new section file and pasting in a ready-made snippet, all without installing an app. First, head to shopify.com and open your store's admin. From the left sidebar, open Online Store, then select Themes. Before editing code, it's always smart to duplicate your live theme as a backup so you can roll back if something goes wrong. Now on your current theme, click the three dots and choose Edit Code to open the theme's file editor. In the editor, locate the Sections folder in the sidebar. Click it to expand, then create a new file. When prompted, create a new section and name it exactly Video Slider. Shopify will generate a file called videoslider.liquid. Keep the name simple, no spaces, and make sure there are no typos, because the section name is how the theme editor will find it later. Next, open a new browser tab and go to mrdigitals.com to see how to add a video slider in Shopify Dawn theme without app. This page contains the code for a video slider designed for Shopify's Dawn theme. Scan the snippet so you understand what it does and only use code from sources you trust. If your store runs a different theme, the code may still work, but you might need small adjustments. Select and copy the entire code block from that page. Return to your Shopify code editor and open the new videoslider.liquid file. Click inside the file and paste the code, replacing any placeholder content Shopify may have inserted. Give it a quick look to confirm there are no duplicate schema blocks and that the code didn't get truncated. Click Save in the top right. If you see an error, check that the file is in the Sections folder, the file name is videoslider.liquid, and that you copied the complete snippet. Saving without errors means the section is now part of your theme. That's it for the setup. You've created a new section, pulled in the video carousel code, code, and saved it to your theme. From here, you can customize the section settings and content in your theme editor and add it to the desired page layout. If something doesn't appear, clear your browser cache or try a hard refresh to see the latest theme assets. Thanks for watching. Follow these exact steps whenever you want to add a custom section, and you'll keep your theme clean, organized, and easy to maintain.